Hey guys, what's up? It is Shelby with the Marketing Broker, and you've tuned into the Insurance Marketing Playbook podcast. You guys are absolutely loving this podcast, and I'm so happy. I just launched it a couple of months ago, and you are downloading it like crazy. So I'm so glad this is a good fit for the insurance world, insurance agents, or people that work for insurance agents. I am all about teaching you how to market your business so we can turn those digital leads or digital content into sales for you and your agency. Today, we're going to be talking about building a referral system that works for you. If you've listened to any of my other content on the Marketing Broker, you know that I am all about referral marketing. That is the number one referral source number one marketing that's going to work for your business. People are going to sell you faster than what you can sell you. But there's a couple of different ways we can talk about our referral system and what that looks like. So the first way is pretty straightforward, right? It's your current customers that you do work for. You give them great customer service. Maybe you've saved them some money on their monthly insurance costs. Maybe you helped them through a claim that was like nearly impossible and you were really there for them, or your team was there for them. They are going to be the people that refer to you. They're going to tell their friends and family like, oh, my house caught on fire. They helped me through the claim. They were miracle workers. I really appreciate it. You should totally call them for a free quote. Or the biggest one is if you save them money every month on their insurance, then they're obviously going to tell their friends about it and say, listen, I save $20 to $50 a month with them. You should totally at least have them quote your stuff because it's free to quote, right? Our next way that your referral system can grow is through Google or Facebook reviews. Google reviews are much more important, as we have discussed on previous podcasts. We want these people that are satisfied with you to go on Google and give you a review. Yes, if they give you 5 stars, that's great, but we really want them to share their story on Google for a few different reasons. One, people are going to look it up. And 2, Google is going to see that you are actually helping people with their insurance, and they're going to suggest you more in the community. Another way we can build a referral system is going to be through networking groups. Maybe you're in a bigger city. Some of the small cities don't have networking groups, but in bigger cities they do, maybe through a BNI or a chamber leads group, something like that. You need to get involved in these leads groups because you will build a referral system that you may not have had access to before getting in that group. I know from my personal experience, when I joined BNI, I actually had like 10 or 12 other people in my life that would sell for me. So that automatically increased my referral system by double, right? So if those 10 people are referring people to me, then they have at least one other person in their circle. So that's 20 people that I could reach, and then it goes on and it goes on and it goes on and it goes on. That's how referral and leads groups work. So if you aren't involved in something like that, I would look it up. The chambers have good ones. BNI is always a good one. You can look that up on Google, see if there's something in your area. Some BNI groups are better than others, so just kind of visit a few of them, see if that's something that you would fit in well with. I know for sure with insurance, because it's only one person per industry, so you would either need to be business or commercial insurance, or you could be personal, P&C insurance, or life insurance, or health insurance if you're a health insurance person listening. So those are 4 different things that you can be in a leads group as an insurance agent specifically. So when we're building this referral network, how do we make sure that we are continuously feeding into it, right? I don't ever want to just get a referral from somebody and then never thank them. We always need to ask, where did you hear about us from? If it was from a friend, if it was from a past client, if it was from your referral network, what does your process look like when you are referred to by somebody else? An example would be a current client's wife asked me to fill in for her because she's also a travel agent, fill in for her at her leads group because she was going to be gone like 1 or 2 weeks. So I filled in for her. I ended up getting $6,000 worth of business in that 1 hour that I spent in her leads group. So I would say I owe her at least a coffee, a lunch, a happy hour, something like that. So I've already reached out to her. I'm getting that scheduled so that way she knows that I appreciate, one, the opportunity to fill in for her at the leads group, but two, thank her for the referrals that I got when she was gone. Now, was that a direct referral from her? No, but ultimately I filled in for her at that group so she gets credit for it. Also, current clients of mine refer a lot to me. So what I like to do is kind of give them a discount on what they already are paying me every month, or I'll throw in like an extra free photo shoot for them if they're local, or I'll be like, hey, I'm going to give you like a $25 Starbucks card, like look for it in the mail, something like that, because it's very important for me to thank the people that refer over to me. Of course, I have like friends and family members that will refer to me as well. And those are quick, easy lunches, coffees, catching up, maybe a little extra money in their stocking at Christmas or something like that. But once we've built this referral network, we are teaching them how to sell for us. That's the whole point of it. We want to teach other people how to sell for us. Now, if we're teaching them how to sell for us, we want to make sure we're offering customer service, we're offering good discounts, we're offering good, claim management, whatever you guys are doing for your customers. We want to make sure that we're upholding our end. There is nothing worse than when I give a referral to somebody and they treat them like shit. Like, that's the worst thing ever. It never fails that, well, I'll give you an example from two different views. This is my favorite. I will refer my family, and sorry if you're my family listening to this, but it's true. If I refer a family member to one of my clients, my family member is a complete asshole to them. I don't know what it is. It's every time. It never works out. It never works out. If I refer a family member to a current client, it never works out. Not because of my client, but because of the family member. I have no idea what the problem is with that. So I just quit, I quit all of that, right? I just quit referring them to my clients because I don't want my clients going away just because my family members can be assholes. I just don't understand that, but it never fails, always happens. But then I've also had opportunities where I have referred clients to clients and it hasn't worked out because the customer service wasn't there. So I had to then have the conversation with the client that didn't have great customer service and be like, listen, like, I love doing business with you. I want to send people your way, but I can't do that if this is how you're going to treat somebody. So it's very important that when we do have this referral network, we're taking care of the referrer and the referee. We want to make sure that we are being consistent all across the board, because ultimately marketing is that, right? We want to stay consistent through everything. We want to offer customer service. We want to be great claims handlers. We want to be the people that they're excited to see in the office, that they can call and they can actually get a hold of. So just stay aware of what that process looks like whenever someone refers to you, as well as when they are referred to you. So that way everything stays consistent. We're not perfect. I'm not perfect. Sometimes I drop the ball with people that referred to me. I forget to contact them. I forget to follow up on the proposal. I forget to actually do what I'm doing for them. So I am not perfect. I have failed multiple times when people referred to me. But ultimately, it's how we actually keep that consistency. And it's something I'm working on every single day, making sure my team knows, like, listen, we've got to take care of everybody equally. So start building that referral system. If you are a new agent, hop into a leads group, hop into the chamber, go visit local industry partners like title companies, mortgage companies, realtors. Those are all really great people for you to make contact with on a weekly or monthly basis, so that way they can think of you when they're like, oh yeah, my client needs homeowners insurance. Or car salesmen. Those are fantastic for insurance agents to be in contact with. Like, hey, just hand them my card. Like, just give them my card whenever they purchase a new car. I would love to just quote it. So those are things to think about when we are building our referral system, because ultimately this is how we're going to grow our business faster, is by other people sending them to us, and then we can just follow up, we can reach out and all the things. So if this helped you, please forward it over to another insurance agent or someone in the insurance company or insurance industry. And I would love to do any kind of consult with you. You can go to theinsurancemaritingplaybook.com, sign up for our email campaigns that come out every month, as well as you can set up a time to talk with me about helping you more in your marketing for your insurance company. I'll see you next week, guys.